Khushi, Suditya, could you hear the crack of thunder?
Yeah, and now there is pitter patter of rain.
Doesn't it remind you of what we discussed today in our English class?
Oh, yes, you're talking about the figure of speech we learned today, onomatopoeia.
Huh. But tell me properly, what is onomatopoeia?
It is a figure of speech that describes sounds, basically, when words imitate sounds. You can see many examples around you.
Like birds chirping, knocking on the door, thug thug, or cats going meow.
Oh, now I get it. Like bells, ding ding, clock tick tick, and rains pitter patter. We use onomatopoeia all the time.
Do you notice that same sound can have different words in different languages?
हाँ बिल्कुल, जैसे बारिश की टिप टिप को इंग्लिश में पिटर पैटर कहते हैं, जापानीज में ज़ाज़ा और पोत्सू पोत्सू, और स्पेनिश में चिस चिस।
Similarly, for rooster sound, we have cock a doodle doo in English, coquerico in French, coqui coco in Japanese, kikriki in Spanish, and we all know kukruku in Hindi.
So basically, the same poor roaster, but depending on where it lives, it speaks a different language.
Without onomatopoeia, our sentence is like sky without stars. Boring.
Okay, listen to the sentence. The soda can be opened with a brief release of carbonated air pressure.
Huh? What is this?
Well, this was a sentence without onomatopoeia. Now listen this. The soda can be opened with a fist.
Surely the sentence feels more natural than the previous one. I guess now all of us can see that onomatopoeia makes a big difference in a sentence.
Yeah, words literature और poetry में जान डाल देते हैं.
Not just literature, onomatopoeia makes even songs more memorable.
It reminds me of that Bollywood song, Dil Dhak Dhak Karne Laga. Do you know it?
Oh yes, and this one as well. नाचूं मैं आज छम 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 छम.
See, that's onomatopoeia making the lyrics catchy.
And not only songs, even poets and writers use it to make stories more lively. Imagine reading a horror story without sounds.
Exactly. अगर कहानी में creak, thud और bang ना हो तो मज़ा ही नहीं आएगा.
And the song composers, they also love using it. Remember Jingle Bells, the poem we used to hear in our childhood. That jingle is pure onomatopoeia.
सच में बचपन के राइम्स भी इसी वजह से हमें अभी भी याद रहते हैं.
हाँ.
When I was young, I used to read comics like Chacha Chaudhary, Batman, etc. And now that I notice, onomatopoeia is also used here.
Oh yes, words like bam, to shoom, crash are iconic in comic books.
They make reading visuals sound based.
वैसे, did you forget about the laburnum top poem in our English textbook?
Oh yes, that poem beautifully portrays how the sudden chatter of the birds bring the tree alive.
Exactly, the poet used onomatopoeia to make the scene vivid. You can almost hear the bird sounds.
देखो, बारिश भी रुक गई. अब सिर्फ टिप टिप की आवाज सुनाई दे रही है.
हाँ.
Was it the cuckoo of the cuckoo bird I just heard?
Yes, another perfect example of onomatopoeia in real life.
Truly, wherever we go, onomatopoeia steals the show. Thank you for listening to our podcast.
We hope that you enjoyed it a lot.
And the next time you read ding dong, tick tick, whoosh in your book, remember onomatopoeia is the magic to look. See you next time.